I watched 6 short films, each conveying a separate message.
Okay, and which film do you like the best? Or a couple of films?
I like definitely the best will be Scrambled for me.
Why?
Because it conveyed a message that is definitely it's aimed towards the teenagers of this era, I guess. Because most of them you see them, they're always on their screen or they're always on their phone. So maybe if you peel your eyes away from your phone for a bit, then you can see that there's so much more that you can do with the world instead of just looking at your phone and tapping all day and all night long.
So we've actually had the International Kids Film Festival going on from the 13th, the 14th, if I'm not wrong, and I think today's the last day. So we've been having a series of movies every day, film, and we've been having kids go in batches. Yeah, that's what's been going on.
And have you watched some of these films? Did you
Yes.
get the chance to?
Yes, I have had the chance to.
What do you feel about them?
The problem is, again, and something else we discussed during the IKFF, is there are so many themes in each movie, which is what I think makes it so rich. So I don't know if we're even really breaking the surface with our analysis, which kind of, gets to me, and I'm hoping by next year I and the children and I are more equipped to come and watch these. But for the time being, I feel like there are recurring themes that they spot because of how relevant or how empathetic they are able to be in the moment when they watch the movie. For example, if a friend is fighting with another friend, so conflict is something of a theme that stays with all children, or unhappiness, sorrow, and the exact opposite, of course, happiness, wonder, joy. So it's been fantastic to see them pick up on what they know, which is what we want. But now I want them also to see what they don't know and analyze why they don't yet know it. Right? So in that way, themes have been in abundance. I may not have spotted it. Some of the kids have, right? So that's been great. For example, all the cubers, and I didn't know this was a word, have related heavily with the Rubik's Cube movie. I think it was called, I'm forgetting the name, but they all watched it with the intent to understand or the intent to relate completely. And they were like, I don't understand the protagonist. I don't feel like her. That's not how I did it. And then I say, how do you know what you looked like when you were figuring it out for the first time? Can you imagine seeing yourself? So we're doing, a setting and a zooming in and zooming out. So it's been great looking at themes the way they have brought it to class. Many things I can't really put down one single word. Friendship was another huge theme.
Purna, and which grade are you in?
I'm in 4B.
4B, which school?
I've come from Crystal House.
Very nice. So why did you come here? What did you come and do?
We saw so many films and cartoons.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
What did you like about it?
How to help others, how to care of others. You should not cheat others.
Alright. And which was your favorite movie?
The brown number.
Then the one with the brown number, what did you like about it?
We should not tease about anyone, how black they are or how white they are.
And what can you learn from it?
You should not be so happy of yourself. You should care for everyone.
You should care for everybody, right? Very nice. Thank you so much. Would you like to come again and watch?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Thank you so much for coming.
The doll and the girl. So basically, in that movie, a girl had a doll. So she was walking down the road. She by mistakenly she saw a parrot. She liked so she went to that parrot and she was feeling high and all. Then she dropped the doll. She didn't know that she dropped her doll. So she was irresponsible. Then she was crying for it. My doll. Then a postman came and held her. Then he gave a gift, a new doll.
Alright, beautiful. And what can we learn from this type of movie?
We should help each other.
Alright.
We should help. We should care for each other. And we should help when we are.
I'm Aziza Isa, Principal of Oasis International School. I've been here since the inception of the school, that is from 1999. And I'm really happy with the growth of the institution. We started with 4 children and now we have 1,100 children. And we have been really working very hard to ensure that the children, we have a holistic development in the students. A lot of opportunities are given, and this is one such opportunity where we're having the International Kids Film Festival so that the children have a lot of exposure.
I think most of them had great values of being honest, not putting yourself first. It had a lot to do with feelings, and today's generation is so much into gaming and into always being on social media and being narcissistic, that I think it's a good idea for them to see these movies, to see a different world where feelings are given so much of importance.
style of making the film that you like particularly? Any of the films?
I think Scramble and Henry, because Henry it had minimal, it did have dialogue, but it had really and it was more like the music speaking for the protagonist.
Very nice.
Yeah, and he didn't really have any lines, so that was a very interesting style. And then Scramble didn't have any dialogues at all, but then it also just gave us a message, conveyed a message of using your own imagination and how to strike it.
Past 3 days?
These past 3 days, we were called at different times to watch the International Kids Film Festival.
So, what have you been doing at the Kids Film Festival?
We had been watching many movies.
Can you name your favorite movie for me?
My favorite movie was Maya the Bee.
Why did you like Maya the Bee? Did you learn something in specific from Maya the Bee?
Yeah, Maya was very honest. She was very honest in playing the honey games, but the other team that was Team Trapla, it was not honest, but at the end they understood that they should be friends and they let Maya win.
So you've learned that you should always be honest.
Yes.
Would you like to have the International Kids Film Festival in your school again?
Yes, I would love to have it again.
Thank you so much, Arya.